Hello students, welcome to accounts classes. Dear students, in the previous video we have finished accounting concepts and accounting conventions. Today I am going to discuss the case studies of this chapter. Dear students, we are going to discuss while preparing the accounts of company, following issues are faced. पहला, production manager is interested in recording good industrial relations in the accounts. Now, this is related with the money measurement concepts. Now see here, money measurement concept. Transactions and events that can be measured in money or in money terms are recorded in the books of account. Since good industrial relations cannot be measured in money terms, they will not be reflected in the accounts. So, this issue is satisfied. Second, long-term success of the company is doubtful due to market competition. Beta, this is once again related with the going concern concept. तो मैंने कंपनी को बताना है कि we will move according to the going concern concept. Now, what is going concern concept? The business will continue for an indefinite period and there is no intention to close the business or downsize its operations significantly. The doubt of success does not lead to inferences that business will not continue for an indefinite period, and also the intention that business will be downsized significantly. So there is neither intention nor desire to close the business. Now third issues could be, although sales have not yet taken place, few reliable customers of the company have placed large orders from which huge profit is expected. अब बेटा इसके से तो बड़ा important concept आ गया. हमने order receive कर लिया. This is related with the realization concept. Although we have discussed all these things, लेकिन this concept, this issue is related with the realization concept. Now what realization concept is? Realization concept, revenue is recognized when sale has been made or services has been rendered. Therefore, the revenue will be recognized when sale has been effected and not when the order is placed. Fourth point beta, fourth issue, one of the shareholders of the company has invested his saving in shares of another company. One of the shareholders of the company has invested his savings in shares of another company. This issue could be solved by business entity concept. Now, what is business entity concept? Business is treated as a separate and distinct entity from its owner. The investment in another company's share is by a shareholder who is distinct from the business. So, one shareholder can invest into the another company. Now, fifth issue beta, at the end of accounting period, factory rent of the company is outstanding for rupees 10,000. अब बेटा इसको क्या बोलेंगे? Accrual concept. क्योंकि rent is outstanding. तो देखो बेटा, accrual concept. This concept recognizes revenues and expenses as they are earned or incurred, irrespectively during the date of receipts or payment. Since the factory rent of the company is outstanding, it will be recorded in the books of account. Now sixth beta, at present, market price of the fixed assets of the company is very high as compared to the book value, and directors are interested to show the fixed assets in accounts at their current market price. अब बेटा इसका क्या होगा? तो we have read historical cost concept. According to historical cost concept, the assets must be shown at its cost price, which is the cost of acquisition less depreciation. As a good accounting practice, they should be continued to be shown at a cost, not at the market price. Now once again, seventh, during the year, the company purchased pencils of rupees 50. These had all been issued from the stock and were still in use at the end of the year. Now, this is very good concept. इसको अब मान लो एक छोटा सा अमाउंट खरीदा, क्या इसको बुक्स में दिखाना चाहिए नहीं दिखाना चाहिए? तो इसको हम लोग बोलेंगे बेटा मेटेरियलिटी कॉन्सेप्ट. An item is recorded in the books of account on the basis of materiality. Purchase stationery pencil is in use, but the amount and nature is not material. Therefore, it is debited to a stationery account. Now, directors are interested to adopt written down value method of charging depreciation in place of a straight line in the current accounting period to show higher profit. अब बेटा इसका consistency principle है. All accounting principles and methods should be applied in a similar way from one period to the next, so the data reported in financial statements can be compared for one period with that of the another period. Method may be changed by the company, but it should be disclosed along with the impact on profit and loss. We have discussed all these things. Methods can be changed, but reason has to be placed. Now, dear students, we have the last question, which is very, very important. A debtor who owes an amount to the company is likely to be declared insolvent. So, this problem could be solved by the concept of prudent. That means business should not provide only for anticipated profit, but it should provide for all possible losses. Thank you.